Hi, welcome back to Diesel Dave's YouTube channel. This is my latest in my layout. Hope you like and share to others. Like I say, this week we've been working very hard on these trees that my wife's been done. And today she's decided to come onto the layout and start putting them into position. So they've come up quite a treat. We've given them a couple of coats now, so I'm very impressed with them. As you see, she's working on the top of the hills and over the back area. This is quite impressive because once we get this back area done, we can start actually working on the front. So like I say, she's done quite a lot of work in the previous, so now she's putting it together on the layout. Like I say, she's working on the canal afterwards. So in this video, it's all about getting the scenery, getting the trees, getting the cows up the back, and start working on the back area. Like I say, I'm going to come a bit closer so you can see where we are. Still loads going on, and does the church in the background looks quite nice. As you see, she's starting to put the trees on now. There's quite a few trees she's putting on there, so there's plenty of room for everything. Very nice. It's a good idea, especially going over the woods, finding the twigs, making the trees, and then bringing them onto your layout. They do look quite impressive. Just using the bradawl now to make some holes on there. That's much better. So if you use a bradawl, you smack the hose into the polystyrene. This is all the layout we made out of polystyrene. This is all polystyrene I got from work, so recycle. It saves a fortune and it does look quite impressive once you cover it over and you don't know. But it's easy to work with, and not say you make a mistake, you just take it off and put a new piece on. So it's quite impressive. So as you see now, she's just putting the new trees in position. And once they go in, the rest of the foliage will be starting to work. Like I said, we've got a few cows going on the top. They're down the bottom at the moment, so once the trees go in, I'm going to come a little bit closer now so you can see them actually in operation. So they do look quite impressive. And they do look quite, especially next door to the church. There's actually, this area at the back now is looking so impressive. So we put this back screen on the back and it's come up with quite a treat, because beforehand we didn't have anything there. But like I say, now it's starting to come alive now. And this is the first stage in the layout as we start working round. So still loads more to do, but in the front area, but like I say, the back area is coming such a treat now. And then we start working on the front here. This is where the scrapyard is going to be. So this will be our next little video we'll be doing on that. So there's quite a lot of videos going on. There's plus the Christmas market over the far end there. We're going to be working on that soon. I'm just going to come past now so we can show you where the actual Christmas market is going to be. Christmas market is going to be in this location. These are quite impressive. We've got these wire multicoloured lights, they're battery operated, and these will be going into all the market store all the way round. So it gives you that, and plus a few will be going on the Christmas tree. Just give it a few lights and maybe get that Christmas spirit that everybody likes at this time of year. And then what we're on the right hand side here, we're going to have an ice rink, and we've got some ice skaters to go in there, so that's going to look quite impressive. And it looks quite nice because up the top here we've got this lovely church that we worked on. Like I say, this has come up a treat. The actual church was a 3D model kit. It was just plain white. I've got someone design it for me, so we've done half of a church. And then we've got some sweet wrappers in the windows and paint those up. At night time I usually put a light on, that looks quite impressive. It'd be nice to put a little bit of music in there. And over the back there we've got a wedding scenery going on. And what we've done, we've got some gravestones on the front here, and my wife's made a few little flowers on the gravestone and all, like it does in real life. So I'm very pleased with that. As you see now, this is starting to come a treat now, what she's working on. All this foliage going over there, these trees going in, and the cows going soon. It does come up quite impressive actually. And as we go over here now, we're trying to work on this. I just want to show you a few more things that were going on. Like we say, we've got over there the old depot. This has come up a treat now. I'm going to start adding stuff to this to make it more impressive. And as you come around here now, my wife's just working on this canal boat here, putting some people in. And this is the first stage of the canal boat. We're going to put some people inside and some photos, so we're going to be working on that. And as we've got the row here, she's just done with a guy on it. It does look quite impressive. So she's doing quite a good job to the old railway, and it's starting to come a treat. Like I say, there's more to do as we go along. So I hope you like this, what you're seeing, and this is only a taste of things to come. So this is Diesel Dave, and my wife saying take care and stay safe, and we see you on another journey.